essa fada de um Mandela, um Mandela. Essa fada de um Mandela, um Mandela. Você digo, você me avisa, tipo.
Higgsfield is an AI platform where you can generate different images, videos, and make edits. You can even generate an AI influencer that acts like you. Select AI influencer, then enter in a prompt. After visiting the site, go to AI influencer. Enter a prompt that would generate an image. Select the options to be able to customize AI influencers. After selecting the options to customize avatar, we wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more content. This is the image of the AI influencer after being generated. Select Animate or Motion. Once you're in the motion, enter in a prompt. Select a model to generate the motion you described in the prompt. For this tutorial, I am selecting the Kling 2.6 model. Now go to AI Influencer. Select any of the motion. Select a motion, then click Generate. Then simply wait. Then here is the result once it has been generated.